What's going on today, guys? We're back on the Quadracer. Gonna get that rear shock out, get that off to be rebuilt, and we're gonna pull the motor and see if we can't find anything that is damaged inside. We need to find out where them BBs are coming from in the spark plugs. All right, so now we're gonna get this thing tore down, get the fluids out of it. Gonna check the oil for any metal, but you guys don't wanna sit here and watch me take this thing apart, so we'll do a little time lapse and we'll get right to it. Alright, you guys, we're going to go ahead and take this top end apart, at least see what's going on in there, see if can't find anything obvious right away with what our issue is with getting metal in plugs. Alright. Just a minor pitting in the head, but nothing too bad. You got a flashlight? Yeah. Well, you guys can't really see that, but there's some minor scuffing up and down. There's definitely no cross hatching left, but the cylinder is definitely savable. The top of the piston is all there. You can see a few pieces of metal on top of it, but really doesn't look all that bad. If you look in there around the edges, there's some minor chipping though. Well, let's pull this cylinder off and see what else we can find. Well, you guys, I just found the source of all our metal. That sucks. Don't really want to see what the rest of this looks like. But we'll get the cylinder off now, all the bolts are loose, and see what else we can find. Also, the reeds, those top pedals there are trashed. Those should lay flat. I don't know. We might be able to get away with just flipping them. Alright, you guys. Crank is really tight up and down, but the area of concern is this piston. Well, we know where it went. You can see how this case is all beat up in here. That is due to chunks of piston flying around. I'll go ahead, I'm not gonna video it, but we're gonna take the shock off. Springs getting powder coated, and that rear shock obviously needs rebuilt, needs a new Schrader valve. I'm sure it needs seals. So I just want to give a big thank you to Duff's Power Sports for letting us do this. Again, if you guys need any parts, hit him up. So until next time, we're gonna get out of here.